What is the value of angle y from the given figure? From quadrilateral ACDE, the sum of angle ACD and angle AED equals 180 degrees. It is because the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. It implies that the sum of 70 degrees and angle AED equals 180 degrees. Hence, angle AED equals to 110 degrees as shown on the screen. Extend point E to point F. Since line AC is parallel to line ED, angle CAE equals angle DEF, which equals the sum of 34 degrees and y. The reason is that corresponding angles are equal. It follows that the sum of angle AED and angle DEF equals 180 degrees. It implies that the sum of 110 degrees and 34 degrees plus y equals 180 degrees. Simplify to give that the sum of 144 degrees and y equals 180 degrees. Solve for y and we have that y equals 180 degrees minus 144 degrees, which equals to 36 degrees. Therefore, the correct option is C.